What up, boys? We are back with another vlog. So right now I'm at Ariel's house. We're just filling up Cardi B because we're gonna go get some E85. We're gonna be testing Cardi B with the actual E85. So she'll be making a lot, way more ponies. You know, we love way more power out here. So we'll be catching up with the boys because we're gonna actually go get some grub. We're meeting up with Matt, Jaren, and a couple other guys. I think Dylan's gonna be there too, so we're gonna be stopping by. So the guys and I came to the sports complex behind the mall area. This is our usual to eat place during this whole quarantine era, but joke's on us, they took away our tables, so we're now eating like bums on the side of the road. But oh well, at least it's Chipotle. Oh yeah, and then we got cops. All right, well, that was sort of a fail because we had no table to eat on, so we actually had to just eat on my car, on the trunk. But yeah, you know, you have to do with what you got, especially now with the whole quarantine going on. Right now, we're actually just gonna be heading out to Ariel's house because he's gonna be throwing on his stock wheels, leaving the Mickey Toms because El Centro is quite of a drive. But once those are on, we're gonna go heading out to El Centro because that's the closest area we can get our elote fuel, that E85 sweet corn fuel. And you know, I've been missing that sweet corn fuel. I had a little bit of that last week. I had a little bit of corn fuel last week, and it went by too quick. So hopefully this time we're gonna be filling up this baby with E85, and right after that we'll be I have my 2 gas tanks in the back, so yep, we're gonna be having E85 for a good time. Alright, so stockies are back on, so let's get this show on the road. You told me I could trust you, don't lie, I could really use it. I was trying to raise these girls. Any of these 3 cars. Is that a 6? Yeah, it's a 6. Oh yeah, let's get it. Yeah? Yeah, go. Oh shit. Not fucking this one though. This shit's fucking big. Little. My car's way too heavy to race that. That's a 4-cylinder. Exactly. It's got no tires. Que las queme ka. Max? Fuck Max, let's do it here. Meet us there. Alright, nice. See you there. Pretty white boy too. You like white boys? You like white boys? Hell no. Hurry up before the UPS gaps you. USPS will fucking put a gap on that V6. Hey, let me hop in the back with you guys. Oh. What the? I was strapped up. Gotta stay strapped. So that's how you know E85 is life.
Always keep it in the back.
Shit, you're gonna get some booster seats for these bad boys.
They're in the back with the horses.
You let me beat it up, you let me practice. Now I'm finna lay you on the mattress. Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up.
Doing some tuning things, uploading new revisions, I believe. But yeah, hopefully they'll be letting Cardi rip in just a moment.
We're ready, Freddy. We're ready, Freddy.
You ready?
see.
Shit.
I'll take a hit. Probably do a 4th gear.
I'm gonna be doing a 4th gear pull right now. I'm gonna try to set you guys up. Not yet, I guess. There's the caps. There's the caps. I got cops on my radar.
You guys go up ahead.
Yeah.
Like a mile and make sure there's no cops.
Yeah, I'll make sure.
Message the group.
Okay.
Make sure they hit.
Yeah, yeah. Damn! So we made it back to Ariel's. And I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Vader's home.
Okay, bro.